How to fix we limit how often you can post on Facebook app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix will limit how often you can post on Facebook app. Now, if Facebook displays will limit how often you can post, comment or do other things, it means you've likely exceeded the platform's a rare limit to prevent spam and abuse. Now, you need to wait a while and avoid excessive activity, and if it persists, you could try appealing the restriction. Now, apart from it, what else you could do is you need to understand what is the reason behind this sort of issues. So for that, what you want to do is you need to go with the Facebook rate limit. Now, Facebook has a limit in place to prevent spam and abuse, and these limits are based on factors like speed and quantity of your actions. Now, other actions, what you could do is you could also try updating your application if possible. The issue might be fixed after updating your application. So go to this Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box you want to type in Facebook. When you type in Facebook here, you want to see whether you need to update the application or not. Updating your application might be able to fix it. Apart from it, what else you could also do is long press the Facebook application. Make sure to go to app info and then click on storage. Now here you want to click on clear cache as well as storage. Now if you click on clear storage, the app's gonna delete your information, but if you're sure about it, just click on the delete button and this should be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could always go ahead and submit a request or appeal for the restriction. So for that, you want to go to the browser, and on the web address bar you want to type in Facebook restriction appeal. When you type in Facebook restriction appeal, you could go to this link, that is appeal of Facebook content decision, and when you type in or when you go to this link here, you want to go ahead and submit a request, and that should be able to fix your issue. So they'll be able to look into your matter. So go ahead and read all of these information. I hope this will be able to fix we limit how often you could post on Facebook app. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.